Hey everyone. Welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of home fragrances with the Craft & Kin Pine and Clove Candle. If you're looking for a candle that exudes masculine elegance, stay tuned. Introducing the Craft & Kin Pine and Clove Candle, a masterpiece crafted specifically for men. This candle captures the essence of the season with the cozy warmth of masculine charm. Made from 100% natural soy wax, with a wood wick, this candle is safe to use and long-burning, providing up to 45 hours of delightful fragrance. The aroma combines pine, musk, oak moss, and clove, creating a strong and lasting scent. Perfect for aromatherapy, or simply adding a touch of luxury to your home. This candle comes in stylish black packaging, making it an ideal gift. Thanks for joining us for this review of the Craft & Kin Pine and Clove Candle. Whether for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, this candle is sure to impress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fantastic product reviews from Cool Gadgets. See you in the next video.